Hello friends, welcome to the technical check. We are looking at the daily charts of Nifty, and Nifty has retraced almost 78% of the entire fall which we saw from 5630 to 4770, and now it has completed a ABC pattern overall. A small 5-wave rally from 5030 to 5450 has completed today, and a 5-wave rise completion indicates that a small correction is expected till at least 38% retracement of this rally, which will be close to around 5300 and also close to the 20 daily moving average. The momentum indicator on the daily charts are just on a verge of giving a sell signal. So as soon as it gives a sell signal, I'll be expecting markets to correct sharply till at least 5300, which will be a crucial support for the markets. If we close below 20 daily moving average and 40 daily moving average, then the next target would be around 5000 levels. But for time being, in the short term, I'll be expecting markets to go down till 20 daily moving average. On the hourly charts, Nifty has formed a rising wedge pattern, and it has also broken on the downside. First leg has already completed. First and the second leg has already completed. I'll be expecting the follow-up selling to come tomorrow and also in the next week. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts have gone into sell. So overall, the strategy should be to sell on rise in the short term for a target of 5300, and also a little below that 5280, 5290 would be the exact level to watch out for. Bank Nifty has been trading in a range since a very long time now. The momentum indicators were in a buy side, but now as today's selling, after today's selling, the momentum indicator has come into sell, which is a negative sign for the index, and I'll be expecting Bank Nifty to correct till the lower end of this range, the broader range, which will be close to around 9800 levels. Overall, the resistance would be around 10614 and 10788. I will not be expecting Bank Nifty to go above 10788 levels. Supports would be very immediate. Supports would be around 10341 and 10555. So the overall bias on Bank Nifty as well as on the Nifty is negative in the short term, and a small correction of 100 points, 100 to 150 points in Nifty is expected, and in Bank Nifty almost around 400 to 500 points is expected. Stock specific, Axis Bank is looking negative, forming lower tops, lower bottom on the hourly charts, forming a rising wedge pattern. The momentum indicator is into sell, so I'll be expecting this stock to go down till at least 1030 level, which is the lower end of this Bollinger Band on the daily charts, and the very immediate support would be around 106 to 1062, and the resistance would be around 1122 and 1151. The second stock would be Sterlite. Sterlite has formed a bearish flag pattern, which is a very broad range, and I'll be expecting Sterlite to go down till at least 101 level, which will be close to the upward sloping trend line on the daily charts. The momentum indicator on the daily charts are on a verge of giving a sell signal. So as soon as it gives a sell signal, the strategy should be to sell on rise with resistance of 115 and 118, and support, immediate support would be around 108, and the targets on the downside would be 101. Thank you so much.